Good morning, kids. Welcome to today's class. Last class we started with the little Pictionary and we discussed about Earth, the desolated home. Why we left Earth and why we went to Mars is the lesson here. Okay, you can see the picture and what is it? You can see the rockets here and you can see this place is a human habitat, which means human beings are living in this place. This is totally, you have oxygen in this because human we need oxygen to breathe. Where are we actually? This is planet Mars. We left Earth and the entire human settlement in Mars. And how is the condition there? We discussed in the last class. You don't have oxygen, you don't have nitrogen, you don't have gases there. So you have to live in this with the cylinder of oxygen, and you have plants and vegetables inside. All these are man-made, nothing is natural. Okay, now let us go again with first paragraph. It was the year 2068. Humans had destroyed the earth and started colonizing the red planet Mars. As I already told you in the last class, in the year 2068, humans had destroyed the earth and they started living in the red planet, which is called as red planet, Mars. India established 3 colonies. Arivumati's family lived in one such colony. Let me show you where is Arivumati. She is Arivumati. This is Arivumati's grandfather. The last class I told that he traveled for miles and miles to see Arivumati. And this is, don't think it's an hospital, it's not an hospital. This is called as bed, so we call it as capsule. You are living in Mars. You have to close this and then she will go for sleep. Because inside this oxygen supply will be there. Only in Earth you have free oxygen. Here you have to carry the cylinder or you have to have some connection for the oxygen there. This is capsule. Got it? Let us go back here. Arivumati's family lived in one such colony. On a birthday, her grandfather traveled more than 1500, means 1500 kilometers to meet her. When he reached, he saw her sleeping in her capsule. So her grandfather all the way traveled 1500 kilometers and he came, and you can see the vehicles. In this one such vehicle, her grandfather traveled and he entered into this and he went to meet Arivumati. And she was found sleeping in her capsule. This is the capsule. Got it? Okay, let us go on to the next paragraph. He said, "Wake up, Arivu." He's trying to wake her up because she's sleeping. Arivumati was surprised. She was surprised seeing her grandpa. "When did you come? I was thinking that you won't be coming for my birthday." So Arivumati was surprised to see her grandfather coming all the way to meet her. He sighed, "Don't you know about the dust storm of Mars? Sometimes it even lasts for a month." So he's telling Arivumati the reason why he came late to meet Arivumati, because in Mars dust storm is quite often. Got it? It's a storm. It is not just like Earth where we can happily live. It's Mars. Clear? Storm is quite common in Mars. Let us see next. But this time it did not. So I am on time. It still took me 3 sols. What do you mean by sols? I'll tell you the meaning of sols. Sols means Martin solar day. A Martin day. You call it as a Martin day is a sol. Sol means it's a Martin day. Got it? Capsule. Capsule. She was sleeping in a capsule, right? Arivumati. Capsule is a small cylinder shaped bed. Got it? Hab. What is hab? Hab means habitat. Human settlement where human beings were living. Fuel. You know fuels. It is used for energy source. It is an energy source. It gives power. Adapting. Adapting means modify. Readjust. We are getting adapted to live. Survival. How we survive. To remain alive, we have to be alive. What is terraform? Terraform. A process by which the surface and climate would be changed to make the environment suitable to human. So here you can see the terraform. What is the terraform here? This is the terraform. This entire place is a terraform. Even these rockets are terraform, where we made human being to live there. This is a terraform where human being made it to live, where there is oxygen inside, there is a plantation inside, you get all the food by the plants. Got it? So this place called terraform. Terraform. Got it? Repeat after me. Terraform. And the next word we have here is scientists. Scientist or an expert of science. One who is expert in science. One who knows completely about science. It's called a scientist. So these are the words. You have to be very thorough to understand the lesson. Let's go back here. Solve. It is one. Martin Day solves. To reach here. Now come on, let's not waste time. We will go to harvest the vegetation. Hab means habitat for vegetables. Got it? Let us write the meaning of it here. Hab. What is hab? Hab means habitat, where human settlement. Sols. What is sols? One Martin Day. One day. Sol. Martin Day. So his grandfather says, okay, fine, I made it on time. He came. It took for a month to reach to see Ariyamati. Then he came and met her. He woke her up and she was surprised seeing her grandfather. And then he told, okay, fine, come, let's go and see the vegetation. Let us go and see the harvest. Okay, kids, today we had dealt one paragraph and we also discussed about the glossary. And we'll be moving on to the next paragraph in the next class. Prepare, read the lesson properly, and today's homework will be you have to write this glossary one time, write neatly one time, and submit it on time. Thank you. Okay, kids, today we had dealt one paragraph and we also discussed about the glossary. And we'll be moving on to the next paragraph in the next class. Prepare, read the lesson properly, and today's homework will be you have to write this glossary one time, write neatly one time, and submit it on time. Thank you.